Hello, everyone, and thanks for stopping by the movie Hangout. Well, sadly, another celebrity has passed. Yesterday, actress, famous scream queen Julie Adams passed away on February 3rd at the age of 92. So she lived a very full life, so that's something to be really, really happy about. Julie Adams is best known for being Kay Lawrence in Creature from the Black Lagoon, the Universal monster classic that has lived on for, gosh, it's been over 65 years. 65 years ago, it's hard to believe. In 1954, The Creature from the Black Lagoon came out, and I remember seeing it as a kid and thinking, like, wow, this lady is really, really pretty, and she just kind of had like an Elizabeth Taylor look to her that often you didn't see in kind of B movie horror films. And she was also a really good actress too. She had a really good career. She was in 149 uh, movies and TV shows. So she had 149 credits, which is a huge, huge career. Most actors, if you're in like 20 to 40 things you're considered to be successful. So she was in 149. So I really tip my hat to her. She had a big life, a fantastic career, and if you have time, I would definitely YouTube her and watch some of the interviews that she gave later in life. She never lost her just positive, outgoing outlook on life, and she always made time for her fans, especially the horror fans, because she knew that without them, her career would not have been possible. So, Julie, I hope we see you again in heaven someday, and I wish you the best. And I'm sure everybody up there is asking you tons of questions of what happened on set of The Creature of the Black Lagoon. Rest in peace. And if you want to get future rants, reviews, or original content, click subscribe. Later.